Hi guys, today I'm going to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2020 February-March paper 2 mail merge part. So in this part of the question paper, this is actually the task 4 of paper 2. This paper 2 consists of Word document, then database, evidence, and then we have mail merge and then PowerPoint. So we are going to discuss only the mail merge part. Why we use mail merge, what is the purpose of the mail merge, that is very important to know. Mail merge is normally used to produce some letters just by connecting one main letter or main your message to a source file. As they have said here, we have one letter that is called M2120 mail.rtf. You can see this is the letter. Yeah, this is the letter. And then after, there is a source data, this is M2120 quals.csv. So I have already the qual.csv file as well. You see here is the detail of all the peoples to those whom I want to send the letter. So no need to type the name and the detail of like here engineer number, and then we have title, name, last name, and region, straight town. So no need to type these things for each and every person. So we just need to connect. This is our source files to our letter file. So I'm just going to close this one and I'm going to start with my main task. So you are going to produce letter for engineers who will attend a training course. Use the M2120 mail.rtf file as the master document for mail merge and the file M2120 quals.csv as the data source. So you can see here is my M2120 mail.csv file and .rtf file, and then I'm going to connect it with M2120 quals.csv. So by clicking here mail, select the letters, then select the file, use existing file. We have already a file. So if you move to desktop, on desktop you have a folder, yes, M2120 March, and then here is the file M2120 quals. So just click on open. You see when I click on open, now all these fields are enabled. Next step, what I replace in the master document date with a field to display today's date. So what we need to do is, here is a date option, just select this one, and they say to replace it with the field. So it doesn't mean that you will just go to insert and then you will click here on date and time like here, and then you will include. No, you have to go to the quick parts, and then we have the option called field. Yes, when you click on field, then you will choose the option here date, and then you will choose one of these dates format. Sometime in the exam, like most of the time, they tell you to choose a date with a specific format like DG, MM, and 4 times Y. If they did not mention, you just click on any one of them. So a date is introduced. Make sure the format of the document is not disturbed. Yeah, next step is your name with your own name. So here is one option called your name with your own name. Yeah, just click here and type here your name. Yes, and next step is in text, the text and chevron's with the merge field from the data source file as follows. So what you need to do is, wherever you find TTL, you need to replace it with the title. So we are going to start from here. So here is TTL means title, FN means first name, LN means last name, as they said here. So I'm going to replace them. What I can do is, I can just select all of them at the same time, and then I'm going to click on mailing again, and here is an option insert merge field. First title, then after a little bit space, or just include your name and then your last name, and press enter button so that the format of the document is not disturbed. And after, address 1 need to be replaced with street, address 2 with town, address 3 with postcode. So address 1 is with street, yes, yeah, and address 2 is with town and then postcode. So here, town and then postcode. So just click on postcode. Yes, again, here is title, then last name. So title, I'm going to put here the last name. Yes, here REG need to be replaced with REG with the region. So just insert region, then after CR need to be replaced with CR with course reference. So here is course reference. Then a space, CSE need to be replaced with the course. So just select this one, CSE, and then choose the option from here, course. And then SG need to be replaced with start date. So start date. Then DUR with duration. Yes. And TT is with tutor and LOC with location. TT with tutor. Yes. And LOC with location. Yes. Most of them are replaced. Yeah. All of them now. They are replaced. Yes. Now, next step is make sure the spacing, punctuation, and alignment in the original master document are maintained. So this is what I told you, when you are going to insert the merge fields, no need to change anything in the document. Just insert the fields as they said. Then include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So I'm going to include here, insert a footer, yes, with my name, then my center number, then with my candidate number. That is done. Then they said next step, save the master document and then display the field codes. So what you need to do is, you need to first save this one as, I'm going to save it with the name of master document. Okay, and then I have a folder on desktop with 2021, yes, as a document, and just save this document over there. It is saved. Here they said display the field codes and then evidence, take screenshot evidence showing the date field code, they said. So what you need to do is, you just need to right click on this one, date code, and then take the toggle field code, yes, then print screen, and then evidence number 9, go to your evidence document. Yes, here is our evidence document. This is the one. And evidence number 9. This is my earlier job that we have done already. Evidence number 9. Paste. And now crop the unnecessary part. Okay. Like we just need this one. That is enough. Yeah. And you just click here and make this one bigger. Yes. And then they said, already done, spell check and proofread the document, print the master document. Now you need to spell check and then you need to, they said, print your master document with the merge field codes. So here they have already said. So what we need to do is we need to open our master document and right click on each field and just click here toggle field, right click, toggle field code, toggle it. Each and every one need to be toggled. Yes, toggle, yeah, this one also. So examiner just want to confirm that you have merged the field. You did not type this data. This is what they want only. So toggle the field code just like that. Make sure nothing is left, okay? Like each and every one need to be toggled. Yes, toggled, then toggle, that's all. And then you just spell check by clicking F7 button from the keyboard. Yes, one more time. Spelling and grammar check is done, so there is no grammatical mistakes. And then you just need to print this document. You will print. Moving next step, set an automated filter to select records where the region is south or east. Place in your evidence document screenshot showing your automated selection method. So you need to go to your master document here and then click on mailing again. Now you have to select the recipients for only south and east. So what you need to do is to go to the region, I guess, where we can find south and east. Yeah, this is the area. So we need south and east. So click on filter here. So in which column? Region equal to south, capital small doesn't matter, okay? Or again in region you need east. Yeah, this is what they need only, south or east. So just click on OK. So south and east is only selected. Now you have to take a print screen of this one, okay? And this will be your evidence number 10. So go to your evidence document and just paste it over there and just select the only specific area. We don't need to print the whole screenshot, we just need to crop it. Yes, just click here and then make this one a little bit bigger so that they can see the filtration method. Yeah, and then after they said print and merge only the letter for selected engineers. So they are only 3 letters. So if you go to your master document here, you just need to click on finish and then here is edit individual and then just select OK. When you click on OK, so it will only give you 3 letters to be printed. So this is what we have done. So the mail merge is done now. Just you need to print these 3 letters. Yes. So if you want to name these letters, well and good. Otherwise, you just print it. But always you keep on save your work because sometime if there is some electricity breakdown, then your work might be deleted. So you just write here merged letters. So they will be there. So in case if there is electricity breakdown, still you will get your work. Yeah. So that's all. Yes. Now you can print this document, which consists of only 3 letters. And this is what we have related to the mail merge part. Thank you very much for watching and hope you have learned something and that you will implement, you can practice it to learn more. Thank you very much for watching again.